Welcome to OMRON's Quick Tip video series. In this video, I will be discussing why it's important to separate the industrial network from the business network and how to implement the separation using OMRON's NX102 controller. I also will be discussing how to only allow specific NA HMIs or computers running Sysmax Studio to connect to the controller. Typically, industrial networks transport data between PLCs, sensors, industrial PCs, the cloud, and even the business network. Without safeguards, malware can propagate through networks, infecting vulnerable devices. The best method to protect an industrial network is to have a defense-in-depth strategy that consists of having multiple layers of protection. The NX102 has the ability to separate traffic between its two network ports. For example, the first network port can be connected to the cloud, whereas the second port can be connected to the industrial network. The built-in firewall will protect the industrial network by blocking malicious packets. The third Ethernet port is used specifically for EtherCAT communication. The NX102's built-in Ethernet ports provide the separation needed to protect the different network levels of the plant floor, which adds a layer to the defense-in-depth strategy. To enable the firewall between the two ports, navigate to Configuration and Setup, expand the controller setup tree, and select Built-in Ethernet IP port settings. Scroll down all the way to the bottom and you'll notice that there is a port forward setting. Set port forward to do not use. If you set it to IP forward, then all packets are allowed to pass through. On the other hand, the packet filter setting is used to only allow specific computers running Sysmax Studio and NA HMIs to connect to the controller. This is done by setting the IP address of the device to the port of the controller. For example, I'm only going to allow two devices to connect to the first port of the NX102. I'm going to allow the IP address 192.168.250.210, which could be a computer running Sysmax Studio, or 192.168.250.2, which could be the NA HMI. Once the settings are in place, I'm going to go ahead and download to the controller, and then the settings will take effect. In this video, we learned how to use the firewall feature of the NX102 controller. For more information, please visit our website at automation.omron.com or look us up on YouTube under OMRON Automation Americas.